second leg cycle, we start with a Stirl set on squats, followed by an 80% Stirl set taken to positive failure either on squats or again the leg press machine, as we have shown in this sequence. Please note that cycle 2L is optional. You can alternate cycle 1L and 2L on leg days. The reason for this is that it is a very grueling set of exercises. A good time to do cycle 1L and 2L on the same day would be at one time in the future when you eventually maybe change your training routine to one body part a day. We now move directly to a Stirl set on leg curls. This exercise directly targets the calf muscles. The final segment of cycle 2L involves toe raises. A Stirl set is performed first. This is followed by an 80% Stirl set. An effective alternative to machine toe raises are donkey raises. This unusually named exercise is where you lean against a solid object and perform the exercise with a friend or training partner seated on your back.